kidslearnium.
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for house.
H for house.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for jeep.
J for jeep.
K for key.
K for key.
L for lotus.
L for lotus.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for octopus.
O for octopus.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for kite.
Q for kite.
R for robot.
R for robot.
S for strawberry.
S for strawberry.
T for teddy bear.
T for teddy bear.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for violin.
V for violin.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for yak.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra. Thanks for watching.